All right, so here we are on the other half of the door. Same deal, is a big dent. Not very deep, just very big. In this case, I know this corner down here is correct. I know this area is low. I'm going to start working my way this way. I'm going to pull. That's going to raise this up. I'm hoping I don't have to use this stud. That's why I'm doing here first. Then I'll go here. And then if I need to, I still have this one available. I'm hoping 1, 2, 3 is going to get most of this up. 4, the rest of it up. And then if I need it, I have 5 to help. So once again, just like we talked about, I'm starting my way out and working my way in. This is the center of the dent. So I lock it, I pop it. That didn't feel like it did much, so that means I probably still have tension around these other areas. So I'll lock it, pressure up, and pop it. I don't know if that translated well in the video, but I definitely seen movement. Skipping that one, I'm going to go to this one. Just because I can feel where the panel's moving, that instead of going there, I feel it's a better move for me to go to this one. So once again, I'm putting pressure up, and I pop it. So it didn't work. I do have to go to that one. Pressure up, and I pop it. Not a lot of weight on it. Now the dent is here. It's in this area, going to the corner. So I am gonna have to hit that 5th pin. Pressure up. And that popped that up. Now I got a low right here, so I'm back on this pin. I'm literally chasing the dent around to make it smaller and smaller. Pressure up. Pop. That brought this area up. Still have a low, so I've got to go back to this one. You guys are going to have to tell me how I'm doing on this video stuff when I show you today, or technically tomorrow. That I hit a little hard. I raised this up too high. This is going to get knocked down, but I don't feel it anymore. So we're back to checking it. I'm going to put my slide hammer down. Let me start up top. I'll work my way down. This one's got to go a little bit more. Go bend it so I know. But my low spot actually moved. It was here. It's now about a 1/2 inch to the right of it, or to the left of it. Come down. This one is still low. This one is still low. This one is still low. And honestly, that one's still low too. So this whole area, I got to hit more. I got to pull this whole area up even further. It's gotten much better. It's nowhere near as deep as it was. I have very little light showing through all these areas, but this area is still low. This up here is fine. This came up where it needs to be. I don't need to really touch this pin anymore. It's going to be these 4 pins, and I'm hoping the little bit I'm seeing over here that I was originally going to pull on this will come up with it, and I won't have to touch this. So I'm going to go starting at my shallowest point, which is this one. I'll lock it in. I'm going to put my hip into it to hold the door down, because remember, the door's light, and it will try and fly away on me. Give that 2 good pops before I go any further, because I want to see. That's good. I don't have to touch that anymore. this one, next one up, lock it in, put my hip into it to hold it, and pressuring up. You can actually, I don't know if you can see the deflection in the metal, but just me pulling it, making the light move. I'm going to give it a second pop and hope that with just those two, I get what I want. So I come across. That's looking very good. Honestly, I can probably go another pop on that, but I'm going to wait for a minute. See, I got to put a stud in over here. I need something in this area. This is starting to raise. This is starting to raise. This area doesn't want to move. Chances are it's because behind this, I can't put a dolly. The hinges are here and here. There's nothing under this edge that I can get to. So whatever I do here is all by pulling studs. I can't do anything from the backside. Back to a marker. I get down at level and I check it. I could use a stud right here. That seems to be a low spot. And it looks like my lowest spot is there. So that's two more studs. Notice they're not really in alignment with anything. This is kind of in alignment, but we know that's the right height. So maybe this stud should have been over here. Maybe that was part of a crease line. Once again, we're working on what someone else already tried to fix, so we don't know what this looked like when it started. We're just correcting what we can see. So I take a stud. I want to get a new one. This one's bad. Pause.